Most people who are inside our program know this about me, but I'm a huge believer in proximity. As in, like, I will pay to be around people I want to be around. Not in a weird way of like going up to a stranger at a cafe and be like, can I pay you to hang out with me? Because that's really weird and creepy. What I mean is that there are certain people around the world that are doing something that maybe you would like to do. Maybe you want to be more like them. And maybe it's a coach, maybe it's an author, maybe it's a speaker, maybe it's an artist, who knows what it is for you. But I'm a huge believer in seeing that as an investment to help you get closer to more of what you want. And there's this quote, and let me just get it up just to make sure it's right. It's by Jim Rohn. And he says, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Why do you think that is? I think the reason that is because the more time we spend with people, the more behavior we're going to see and we're going to imitate. So there's a thing called modeling. And modeling, not in the sense of like a catwalk fashion thing, okay? There's that kind of modeling. And then there's modeling where we literally model the behavior of the person that we're hanging out with. So you might find that if you're hanging out with a really quiet person, you might become more quiet. You might find that if you hang with a really loud person, you might have to talk louder too. Have you ever noticed that, energy creates energy? So whatever you're around, we usually model over time. I'm a huge believer in proximity, and I believe, this is just a personal view, that we invest in things that we want to be more like. And a lot of our members know that I'm in a few masterminds and I'm constantly investing in personal development and learning new skills. And I don't think we buy people's knowledge as much as we actually buy the potential to be more like the person we want to be like.